Angelos, there are so many stands presenting vegan or organic cosmetic. Is it really so important, or it is something in mode, in fashion?
Okay, let's talk the real functioning food or real functioning cosmetic, because the cosmetic is a food for the skin. But we have to think about physiology. So when we digest food, when we take food, when we eat the food is digested, and everyone genetically is digesting the food in the different ways. That's why the food in some people is giving energy. Some part of the food to some people they take energy. So it is a matter of biocompatibility to everyone. So generalizing that the natural cosmetic is good for the skin, it is a wrong concept. Why? Because the skin metabolizes, my skin, I would say, metabolize the same natural cosmetics in a different way than any other skin in the world. This is a genetic predisposition that everybody has. So now it comes to the question, how everybody metabolize the natural food or the natural cosmetics we put on the face. The natural cosmetic we put on the face is metabolized in a different way from each one. Why? Because the microflora on the skin is different to anyone around the world. So I have my microflora, and when it comes to the cosmetics, then I metabolize in a totally different way. So how do we know which one is metabolizing in a correct way, or someone doesn't metabolize the natural cosmetic at all, or maybe the natural cosmetic is damaging the skin? So how we do understand this? One way is to know the polarity of the skin or the pH of the skin, because the pH regulates all the biochemical reactions. That means the most important thing is to know the pH of the skin in order to know whether I metabolize the natural cosmetic or not. Normally, the natural cosmetic, they have, according to the nature, they have their own polarity or they have their own pH. But when it comes to the natural cosmetics, the natural cosmetic has a pH around 7. But it depends on the plant, because some of them, they are alkalic, some of them, they are acidic. So the natural cosmetic has to be acidic in order to give a benefit to the skin. But the natural cosmetics, as they come from the nature, they are not acidic. They are natural. They are according to their molecular structure. So practically, we do not know whether the natural cosmetic as it is damaging or it is for the benefit of the skin. What is the solution? The solution is to know the polarity. And to know the polarity, you have to have a natural cosmetic that comes from the laboratory with a specific polarity that matches to the skin. Then only then we know whether the active ingredients, they are bioavailable to the skin or not. In dermagenetic, we have all the knowledge, and we polarize all the molecules. Then we know exactly that they are bioavailability of the skin for each one separately or for each one that have a genetic predisposition.